Okay, guys, this morning we're going to do a real quick laser video. We're going to design a pair of earrings for fall. We're going to use zombies. It's a big, great fall and Halloween themed earring. Okay, so I'm just going to go in here to my uh, earring blanks and I'm going to pick a shape for mine. I am thinking, since I'm doing a zombie, let's see what we're going to do. I think this roundish one that's kind of not round but round. Okay. And I am going to be using our new zombie SVG bundle that we just put up on the website earlier today. So let me get in here and look and see which one I want to use. In fact, let me make them extra large. And you could get really fun with this and use two different ones, make them not quite matching, but matchy earrings. I think we're going to go with this guy. All right, let's make him black, and then I am going to shrink him down. Now I am going to zoom up here so we can see what we've got going on. All right, so we've imported our little zombie SVG and we have our earring blank. Now, you know what I think I'm gonna do? You may not have a art library full of earring blanks like I do. So instead of using that one, I am going to make one. So we're gonna make a circle about, let's see, yeah, just about 1¼ inches, or whatever makes you happy. All right, and then we're going to turn it red for a cut line. All right, then I'm going to convert this to a path. Now I'm going to go in here to edit nodes, and I am just going to edit some of these nodes so this is really not round anymore, but a little wonky, because that's what I'm going for. Okay, something that's not quite round but close to round. And this is all you have to do, is just open up your node editing panel, and there is, it's not quite the same as I had. In fact, let's make, all right, I actually like that one there. Okay, so we're going to get rid of this, and now we're going to put our little hole in here for our ear wire, and I always make mine about 0.06 inches. If you want to work in millimeters, you certainly can. I am just, and that is 1.5 millimeters. All right. My brain just works in inches, so that's what I do. And I make two copies and I sit them on top of each other, and then I grab them and I bring them over here just like this, select my circle, or my not quite circle, center everything, and then I delete that top one. I just use that as a placeholder to make sure that my ear wire hole is far enough away from the edge of the earring so it doesn't, break easy. Okay, so now I made my own wonky circle shape for my zombie earrings, and we are going to bring our zombie over here now, and you can make him bigger, you can make him smaller, you can do whatever you want. I like him just about like this. And then I think I'm going to go over here to my Halloween art library, and I am going to grab a bat. And I'm going to make that bat super small, and I'm going to put him right in there behind the zombie. And I'm going to duplicate him. here, make him smaller, and there you go. I think I am happy with this. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bats, I'm going to hold down my shift key, and I'm going to select the bats and my zombie, and I'm going to group them together. So that means, see, now when I grab a hold, they all come together. And now I'm going to put it back on here where I want it. And I'm going to select my earring blank, the red cut line. I'm going to hit Control D on my keyboard to duplicate that. And I'm going to keep holding the control in. Do not let it go. Then click on your zombie. And now if you click Control B on your keyboard, you will bring up your Boolean. And we want to intersect. And now our earring is there. It's all done. So we are going to group everything together. I'm going to hit duplicate. Move this one over. Mirror. And we have a set of zombie earrings. Okay. Now you can send these to your laser and, you know, just have fun. You can make several pair of these with a different zombie on each one. However you want to do it, it's, you know, going to be super. And you know what? If you have a cricket or a silhouette, you know, you could do this on there too using chipboard and your pens. You know, you could draw the zombie on here, cut these out in chipboard, and then, you know, seal them with Mod Podge and then coat them with resin. You know, there's so many different ways you can do this. You could, yeah, the possibilities are unlimited. You could cut these zombies with vinyl and put them on acrylic blanks. Just whatever you want to do. I work with the laser more than anything, so that's what I'm showing you. But the possibilities are truly, truly endless. Alrighty, so I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you next time.